Hello and welcome to the NFSTC Forensic Update. Across the country this week, everyone from scientists to students have been celebrating the second annual National Forensic Science Week, dedicated to advances in forensic science and its importance in criminal justice. Here at NFSTC, we work with the city of Largo, Florida to get an official proclamation from the mayor, as well as used our resources to share new and exciting information on our social media platforms. Nationally, the City of Philadelphia also proclaimed August 10th through 16th National Forensic Science Week. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation introduced a live tweet chat each day for people to ask questions on topics from DNA to toxicology. In our continuing effort to offer quality training, we've launched a brand new online course, Introduction to Forensic Biology. This self-paced class focuses on safe laboratory practices, standardizing quality assurance practices, and basic tests used to ID bodily fluids and tissues. The 2.5-hour course costs $69 and students earn a certificate of completion. To learn more and sign up, visit our website at www.nfstc.org. According to many TV crime shows, DNA analysis can be completed in a matter of minutes. But as we know, real-world technology can't move that fast. But a new advancement is rapidly changing that reality. New rapid DNA technology can cut down analysis time from days to just 90 minutes, potentially reducing investigation time and expenses. You've met our other scientists. Now it's time to meet Rob O'Brien, who stopped by to talk about the benefits to rapid DNA testing and some of the questions it still poses. Let's take a look. Rob, thanks for joining us today. Now, can you tell us what exactly is rapid DNA?
Rapid DNA is a method by which you can perform traditional DNA analysis, which usually uses anywhere from 4 to 5 different pieces of instrumentation, all being done on one instrument in a lot less time.
Okay, now, how rapid is rapid DNA? Does it live up to its name?
Right now, yes, it does. Rapid DNA takes anywhere, depending on the instrument you're using, from 75 minutes to 2 hours, whereas traditional methods, the shortest you could probably get them done in is about 8 hours.
What kind of results can be generated from this test?
Once again, depending on the instrumentation, you could get anywhere from a partial profile, which is basically some of the data that we use, to a full profile, which is basically the same data that will come off of traditional DNA analysis methods.
Now, will only scientists be able to use this new technology?
With rapid DNA technology, it is very simple to use, and police officers or crime scene personnel can easily be trained how to use the device. However, interpretation of the data that comes out will still need a scientist to look at the data, interpret the data, and testify in court on the data.
Now, going forward, why will more traditional methods still be important?
Well, with rapid DNA analysis, you put the sample in and you basically get a result out. There is no ability to manipulate any of the samples during the process. For example, if you have to concentrate a sample down, you cannot do that in rapid DNA analysis. Traditional methods, you have an instrument does every single step. So at a certain point, if you find you need to concentrate a sample, the analyst actually has the ability to go in and do that before it goes on to the other steps. Therefore, rapid DNA, traditional methods will always be useful for touch DNA, low-level samples, or complex samples that have mixtures of DNA from several different individuals.
Rob, thanks very much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thanks for having me.
Rapid DNA is already being used in some areas across the country. In our next edition, we'll explore some field implementation of the technology. Thank you for joining us on this edition of the Forensic Update. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to get up-to-the-minute science and technology news from NFSTC. I'm Bill Duffin, and we'll see you next time.